Welcome back, people. Today we will learn about the WAD clause in SQL. We use the WAD clause to filter the data and get the specific data that we want. For example, in this case, we want only the data where points is greater than 60. When we run this query, the execution takes place as follows. The query execution engine sees that we have a WAD clause and a condition where points is greater than 60. So it iterates over all the names in the payments table. For each name, it will evaluate if the condition is true. If it is true, that will be retained in the result set. So the result will be the rows with points greater than 60. Let's run this first. So as you can see, we have only one row with the points greater than 70. That's what I was talking about. Points must be greater than 60. We also have every other kind of logical operator such as greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or less than. We also have the inequality operator, that is, this is the inequality operator, or we can also represent it using greater than and less than symbol like this. We use equal to symbol for equality operator. Remember, when we compare a string, the string must be enclosed within a quotes. Let's, for example, say, so now let's run this. See, we have only one row with name which is equal to loan. So here, the case does not matter in case of string that is being compared. You can also use the not equal to operator to get all the names which are not loan. So let's do that. We can do this by using an exclamatory mark for the not equal to operator. You can see the row with the name loan is not here. We can also use the greater than and less than symbol. So we will get the same result. We can also use these operator with date values as well. In such cases, the date value must be within quotes, even though they are not string values. The standard format for representing date is year, month, date. Year is 4-digit, month and date are 2-digit. We can also combine multiple conditions when using WAD clause using the AND or not operator. Let's say we want to get all the payment ID greater than 4 whose point is less than 70. Let's see how to do that. Or let's say 60. Now let's run this. So here we have to add an S. Now we are good to go. We have two values whose payment ID is greater than 4 and points is less than 60. When we execute this, we will get payments with ID greater than 4 and points less than 60. When we use the AND operator, both the conditions must be true. If we want any one of the condition to be true, then we can use the OR operator. Let's see how that works. See, now we have all the columns with payment ID is whose payment ID is greater than 4 or points is less than 60. So essentially we have all the rows. We can also give more than one condition, or I will say more than two conditions. But when combining multiple logical operators, you must be aware of the order of these operators. The AND operator has higher order when compared to the OR operator. But as in math, we can always change the order using parentheses. We can also use the NOT operator to negate the condition. So let's say we have to negate this condition. What we will do is we will use a parenthesis to close the condition and a not here. But remember, when we use not and or not operator together, not only the logical operator gets negated, the and converts to or converts to and if they are present. So let's run this. So as you can see, there is no such rows which satisfies both the conditions. That is because the greater than here is changed to less than or equal to, and or here gets changed to and less than here gets changed to greater than or equal to. This is the same as not using not. So if we run this, we will get nothing here because both conditions are the same. We can also use the arithmetic operator with the where clause. For example, let's say now we are having a condition points multiplied by 10 should be greater than 400. So let's run this. We have all the rows where points multiplied by 10 will be greater than 400. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.